In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any Notion page or database into a shareable template that others can duplicate in their own workspace. This is perfect for sharing project trackers, content calendars, personal dashboards, or any system you've built and want others to reuse. First, open Notion and navigate to the specific page or database you want to share. Take a quick moment to make sure the page is clean and ready for others to see. Remove any private details, replace sample data with neutral examples if needed, and check that your views and filters make sense for a first-time user. Remember, only the content on this page and its nested subpages will be included. So organize anything you want to share inside this structure. Next, look to the top right corner of your Notion window and click the Share button. This is your hub for all sharing options. You might see options to invite individuals or the whole workspace, but for a public template that anyone can duplicate, we're going to use the web publishing option. In the Share panel, switch to the Publish tab and click Publish to Web. This action creates a public web version of your page so people can view it without joining your workspace. It's different from inviting someone directly because publishing gives you a single link you can share anywhere. If you ever need to take the template down, you can return to the same area and unpublish it later. Now enable duplication. Find the toggle labeled Allow Duplicate as Template and turn it on. This part is crucial. Without it, visitors can only read your page. With it enabled, they'll see a duplicate button on the published page, letting them copy the entire setup into their own Notion so they can use and customize it. It's the difference between a read-only example and a truly reusable template. Finally, click Copy Web Link to grab the URL. This is the link you'll share in posts, emails, course materials, or your website. Anyone with the link can view your page. If they want to duplicate it, they'll sign in to their Notion account and click Duplicate, and they'll get their own independent copy. Updates you make to your original after sharing will appear on the published page, but they won't change any copies people have already duplicated. That's it, your Notion template is live and ready to share. Thanks for watching.